Welcome to Financial Hunter, where we decode the secrets of wealth. Today we discuss why $20,000 changes everything. Many people think 20,000 is just a number, but it is actually a fortress that protects your future freedom. This specific amount of money is the critical threshold where you stop surviving and finally start living on your own terms. Most people run on a hamster wheel of endless bills, but reaching this milestone allows you to step off completely. The first thing you will notice is a profound sense of peace that you have likely never felt before today. For the first time in your adult life, you are no longer operating in survival mode or fearing the unexpected. Life is full of storms, but having this financial shield means the rain can no longer get inside your house. The constant anxiety about rent, car repairs, or sudden medical bills stops choking you because you have the solution ready. You sleep better at night knowing that if something breaks tomorrow, you can fix it without begging for a loan. This is the true definition of freedom, not buying a Ferrari, but waking up without the heavy weight of debt. Imagine your car breaks down on the highway. For most people, this is a disaster that ruins their entire month, but for you, it is merely an inconvenience. You pay the mechanic, drink your coffee, and move on with life. The difference between a crisis and an inconvenience is simply the balance available in your savings account right now. When your mind is not consumed by money problems, you have the mental bandwidth to focus on health and growth. Scientific studies show that financial security directly lowers stress hormones, making you physically healthier and emotionally more resilient. Most of society lives on the edge of a cliff, one paycheck away from total collapse and financial ruin. Reaching $20,000 puts you on a safe plateau, far away from the dangerous edge where others are falling. It allows you to be present with your loved ones instead of mentally calculating how to pay the electricity bill. You gain the power to say no to predatory loans and desperate measures that keep poor people poor forever. Now that we understand the peace it brings, we must understand why the banking system secretly hates your success. Banks present themselves as your friends, but their business model relies heavily on your financial mistakes and lack of discipline. They make the most profit from people living close to zero through overdraft fees and exorbitant credit card interest rates. When you have no savings, you are forced to borrow for emergencies, paying them huge interest for years to come. These fees are the bread and butter of the banking industry, designed to keep the struggling class in a loop. But when you have $20,000, you suddenly become a terrible customer for their traditional profit models. You pay your balance in full every month, you never pay late fees, and you ignore their loan offers. To the algorithm, you are a dead end. You are using their system for free without giving them their expected tribute. Your savings act as a shield against their traps. You have become self-sufficient, and that makes you dangerous to them. This is why as soon as your account grows, they will bombard you with offers for premium credit cards. They want to tempt you back into the cycle of spending. They offer points and miles to drain your cash. Do not take the bait. Their goal is to convert your liquid cash into illiquid consumer goods and debt. They know that if you spend your safety net, you will eventually return to them on your knees asking for loans. Stay strong and ignore the marketing. Your $20,000 is better sitting in your account than on your wrist. However, the banks are not your only enemy. The biggest threat to your wealth comes from inside your own mind. We call this lifestyle creep. It is the urge to upgrade your life immediately after you have saved some money. You feel rich, so you move to a bigger apartment, buy a newer car, or start eating at expensive restaurants. These upgrades seem small, but they permanently raise your monthly fixed costs, making your $20,000 shield vanish. If your spending increases as fast as your savings, you are running in place. You are not building wealth. Using your emergency fund to upgrade your lifestyle is like stealing bricks from your foundation to build a balcony. Real wealth is invisible. It is the money you don't spend. It is the options you keep open. The goal is to let that $20,000 sit there as a boring, unexciting pile of cash for now. When you inflate your lifestyle, you turn your savings into a ceiling instead of a floor to build upon. Patience is key. You must resist the urge to look rich so that you can actually become rich later. Now, let us talk about the power of mathematics. This is where your money starts to work for you. At $2,000, a 10% return is only $200. It's nice, but it changes nothing. $200 can't pay your rent. It can't fix your car. It is not enough to feel significant. But at $20,000, that same 10% return becomes $2,000. Now that is real money. This is the point where the flywheel of compounding begins to spin under its own weight without your constant pushing. Your money is finally generating enough offspring to pay for a vacation or cover a month of living expenses. This mathematical reality is why the first $20,000 is the hardest. After this, the math is on your side. You are no longer working for every single dollar. Your army of dollars is now out there working for you. This is the beginning of escaping the time for money trap. It is the spark that ignites the fire of wealth. Beyond the math, the greatest benefit of this financial milestone is something called leverage, or the power of choice. Imagine you're in a toxic job with a terrible boss. Most people have to endure the abuse in silence. They can't quit because they need next week's paycheck to buy food. They are slaves to their own lack of savings. But with $20,000, you have the leverage to walk away. You can quit without having another job lined up. This negotiation power changes the dynamic completely. You are no longer a servant, you are a professional selling your services. It also gives you the courage to take calculated risks, like starting a small business or moving to a new city. You can move to a place with better opportunities because you have the funds to cover the moving costs and deposit. You can take a month off to learn a new skill that doubles your income, investing in your own human capital. This is what we mean by leverage. Money is not just for buying things, it is for buying control over time. So, if you're on your way to this number, don't stop. Don't let the temptations distract you. The journey is boring and difficult. It requires saying no to fun things today so you can say yes to freedom tomorrow. But the reward is worth it. You are buying your life back, $1 at a time until you are free. $20,000 is the seed. Protect it, water it, and let it grow into a forest of abundance. It is the shield that blocks the blows of life. It is the sword that cuts the chains of debt. Build your shield, ignore the banks, avoid the lifestyle creep, trust the math, and seize your leverage. Thank you for watching Financial Hunter. Start building your shield today, and remember that true freedom begins with the first step. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next episode. Remember, the climb is steep, but the view from the top is worth every drop of sweat you spend. Every dollar you save is a soldier in your army, fighting for your freedom and your future peace of mind. Track your progress diligently. Small habits today lead to massive results tomorrow. Consistency is your best friend. Time is your greatest asset. The earlier you start, the more powerful the compound effect will be for you. Learn to find joy in saving rather than spending. The satisfaction of security lasts longer than the thrill of buying. Visualize your future wealth. Keep that image in your mind whenever you feel tempted to stray from your path. Surround yourself with people who understand your goals. Your environment plays a crucial role in your financial success. Stay true to your course. Distractions will come, but your focus must remain on the ultimate prize of freedom. Educate yourself constantly. The more you know about money, the faster you can reach your financial milestones. Every day is a new opportunity to make better choices. Do not let past mistakes define your financial future.
Celebrate your small wins. Reaching the first 1,000 is a victory. Reaching 5,000 is a triumph. Wealth is built brick by brick. There are no shortcuts, only disciplined action and patience over time. Think in years, not days. The decisions you make now will shape your life 5 years from today. When you have enough, you can help others. Financial strength gives you the power to make a difference. Be like a tree with deep roots. When the financial storms come, you will bend, but you will not break. Sacrifice comfort now for comfort later. The price of discipline is always less than the pain of regret. Frugality is not about suffering, it is about prioritizing what truly matters to you and your future goals. Every penny counts. Do not underestimate the power of small savings adding up to a significant amount. Be a smart consumer. Value is not just about price, but about the long-term benefit of your purchase. Simple lifestyle changes can accelerate your savings rate dramatically. Find joy in the simple things in life. Consider alternatives that save money and improve health. Your physical and financial health are often linked. Fix what is broken instead of buying new. This mindset saves money and builds resourcefulness. Turn your clutter into cash. Sell what you do not need to boost your savings fund faster. Increase your income streams. A side hustle can significantly speed up your journey to $20,000. Know your worth. Negotiate your salary. Your primary income source is your biggest tool for building wealth. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Skills and knowledge can never be taken away from you. Use free resources. Knowledge is abundant if you are willing to look for it and apply it. Write down your goals. Putting them on paper makes them real and keeps you accountable to yourself. Keep your eyes on the prize. The temporary sacrifices you make today will pay off for the rest of your life. Build a network of like-minded individuals. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. It's okay to say no to social pressure. Your true friends will respect your financial goals and boundaries. The best things in life are free. Nature, connection, and peace do not require a credit card. Cultivate contentment. If you are happy with what you have, you won't feel the need to spend constantly. Respect your money. Treat it with care, and it will take care of you when you need it most. Audit your expenses regularly. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Plug the leaks in your financial ship. Do DIY skills. Doing things yourself can save you thousands over the course of a year. Small daily habits like making your own coffee act as a constant reminder of your financial discipline. Meal prepping saves money and health. It's a double win for your body and your bank account. There's no shame in seeking value. Rich people stay rich by being mindful of where their money goes. Embrace public transit if possible. Cars are wealth destroyers due to depreciation, insurance, and maintenance costs. Find low-cost hobbies. Reading, running, or drawing can be incredibly fulfilling without costing a fortune. Pass on these lessons. Teaching the next generation about money is one of the greatest gifts you can give. Momentum is powerful. Once you achieve one goal, the next one becomes easier to reach. True wealth is also about contribution. Giving back creates a sense of abundance and purpose in your life. Confidence comes from competence. Knowing you can manage your money gives you confidence in all areas of life. Walk with your head high. You are taking control of your destiny, and that's something to be proud of. The sky is the limit. Once you have your financial shield, you can aim for the stars. Be a beacon for others. Show them that financial freedom is possible with discipline and perseverance. Always look forward. Your past does not define you, but your actions today define your future. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, you are the hunter, and financial freedom is your prey. Stay hungry, stay disciplined, and keep hunting for your financial success. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.